Spirit Bird takes you by the hand to consciously break out of your everyday life. Our app guides you to suitable activities and simple techniques to slow down and reconnect with your true self, even and especially in uncertain times like these.
We provide safe spaces for your inner growth. Whether you practice on your own in natural surroundings or in a group setting in the middle of the city, Spirit Bird will help you choose your individual path to peace of mind. Like-minded students and teachers nurture and inspire each other to spread awareness and create the momentum for positive change.
As a non-profit organization with the purpose of improving the health of society in a sustainable way, we're excited to invite you to be part of our global community.